but you can't see it enough. Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let.
Hey beautiful people, welcome. My name is Nokubongah and you are officially tuned in to Life with Ntmkhabela. Mkhabela. I hope you to stay, you subscribe and become part of this family. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a newly found fave way in which I currently or recently remove my makeup, and I found it very gentle on my skin, and that is using baby wipes and coconut oil. Like, it has been a goddess. Like, I've just used it for a few days and I found my skin very gently and moisturized already after removing my makeup. So as you can see, I am like using the Johnson baby wipes to remove all the makeup on my face, and I am telling you, it is very gently. Like, they're used for kids. Like, what do you expect? They are so very gently with my skin. This is my current fave. Like, I found them very gently on my skin than most wipes or facial wipes I've used before, and yeah, I've been loving them. So now I am using the coconut oil to just like further remove all the makeup, like thoroughly remove all the makeup on my face. As you can see, I'm gently rubbing the coconut oil around my face, like cleaning all around my face with my hands, so I can like get all of the makeup, even on places where like the makeup it's difficult to remove. Mind you, some of the things that I've used when doing this makeup look, they were like water resistant, and it was just easy as ABC removing it with just these two products. So as you can see, the wrap, it's super clean. Sorry that my camera is unable to focus. I don't know what it is with my camera and failing to focus, especially when I try to show things which are white on camera. So I decided to just be like, okay, let me just show you a glimpse of my night skincare routine. Like, they get unready with me. It wasn't like kind of planned, but I was like, okay, let me just show it, because why not? So at this moment, I was just going in with my toner from Portia. Yes, so now I'm just using another toner, which I find it very refreshing on my face and like very pH balancing on my face. And then now I'm going in with the serum. Like, this face needs to be moisturized after removing makeup, even though because of using like the baby wipes and the coconut oil, it is like not that dry, or it is just not dry at all. So now I'm going in with a cream. These, like all these product guys that I'm using, they're from Dr. Rashel, the vitamin C range. So as you can see, me being ghetto, I'm just using my teeth to remove the lid. Yeah, that's being ghetto. So simply just distributing it all around my face as gently as I can. Now I'm just using a little bit of that coconut oil just to further moisturize my skin. Like, I want the skin moisturized as F. Went in with lip therapy from Discam, and yeah, it is also a current fave. So a girl be looking like this after a night routine. The skin is improving. It has been the best lately. The skin is trying, Betona, like Anna is trying. So I've added something new in my skin routine, and that is the Nature's Choice coconut oil. It has been like the best. I've been using it to remove makeup. I've been using it as part of moisturizing my body, for moisturizing my legs and my whole body. I've been using it for my face. Like, the skin is doing the deeds these days. The skin is trying.